Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video on E-Cut by MacroMonster. And this is a pretty neat little trick here to save wood and time. Let's say, mainly save wood. Let's say you've just run this job and you're through and you're done for the day and you go, well, if you would, so you've got this, let's say if this was your sheet of plywood or real wood, it doesn't have to be plywood, but everything I cut like this is either MDF or plywood. So let's say this is your sheet of plywood and you've got this much left over. Well, let's just get these out of the way. So there's your shape, and all I did was create two rectangles. But you want to leave these indexing lines, and I'm going to show you why in just a second. Pretty important. But now we want to use this wood with these shapes, with these Texases. So let's just move them to over to the page. You need to select, I'm going to get the logo out of the way for a second. You need to select everything, go up to nesting, and don't have to really do anything because it's not going to, I made my sheet container 20 by 20, and I'm going to hit apply. And what's going to happen, it's going to come and tell me it's not going to fit. But I can right click on that shape, use shape as container, and hit apply. And now the macro has put those shapes into it, and just press OK. Now when you press OK, it comes out of the picture. Hit F4 and bring it into the picture. And this is why you wanted those indexing lines, because you want to be able to put this wood right back where it was. So let's zoom in here. And for a second, and just be safe, let's group these together, Control G. And we're going to grab that and put it right there. And you can actually go to View, Snap to Guidelines. And when you grab that corner, it should snap right to that corner, and it does. So now your wood was still in the laser, or even if it wasn't in the laser, you could have taken it out if it was fitting in the corners. I've just made it this shape. But you could have saved that job and used that wood later and nested it, and it would have taken you a long time to put that many shapes of Texas in a scrap of piece of wood. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.